Hello. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I am going to show you how to create Gmail account and send email. Open your browser. Then go to the top browser URL and type www.gmail.com and press enter. When pages open, click on Create Account. Depending on your need, select personal or business type. Enter your first name and last name. Create your username, that is your email address. Your email address should have only letters A to Z, numbers 0 to 9, and period only. Enter your password. If you finish, click Next. Your email is created, now fill the remaining data. Enter active phone number correctly. Recovery email is optional and you can leave it blank. Enter your birthday and gender and click Next. Click Send. Now, a 6-digit verification code has been sent to your phone. Enter the code in the space provided and click Verify. Click Yes, I am in. Drag down to the bottom page and click I agree. Choose the type of view you want and click OK. Congratulations, you have created your Gmail account. Emails sent to you will be found inside Inbox and emails you send will be found inside Send. Now I will show you how to send an email. To send an email, click on Compose at the left top. A new message box appears. In the first box, enter your friends or others' email. In the subject box, enter the subject of the email. In the message body, enter your message. Now you can format your message by clicking on capital A at the bottom of the box. You can change the font type, size, forecolor, back color, text alignment and numbering. To attach file, click on Attach File button and select the file from your PC or mobile and click Open. To add link, click on the link button, insert the display text and the link address and click OK. To add image, click on Image button and locate for the image and click Insert. If the file is confidential, you can turn on the Confidential button. To send, click Send. As you can see, I have successfully sent the email. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.